Good morning to all. This is Nerella Om. I'm working as an assistant professor in Gokaraju Rangaraju Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. Today I'm going to discuss about interfacing LCD with Arduino Uno. Actually, Arduino Uno is nothing but it is a microcontroller based board. It is having Atmega 328 microcontroller. Basically, it is a 8-bit microcontroller based board. Okay. The nowadays Arduino Uno is a popular because using Arduino Uno we can develop any applications like embedded system application, IoT based application easily. Now the LCD stands for liquid crystal display. It is mainly used for to display some information on it. Here I am using the 16 by 2 LCD, means 16 columns and 2 rows. A 2 by 16 character LCD. It is an example of parallel interface. It is a 8-bit data bus to which commands and data for display can be transferred in parallel. The 2 by 16 LCD uses 4-bit interface. The read-write pin of LCD is ground so that write is permanently enabled. That means that read-write pin must be connected to ground so that we can always, the purpose is to write the data into the LCD, not the read the data from the LCD. There is a potentiometer is there for adjusting the brightness. This is the pin diagram of LCD. Okay. Basically, some LCDs are 14 pins, some LCDs are 16 pins. Here there is a 14 pins LCD. The first pin is VSS. It should be connected to the ground pin of Arduino, and VDD that must be connected to the 5 volts to the 5 volts, and VE this must be VE must be connected to the potentiometer to adjust the brightness. RS means register select, means whether you want to give the commands to the LCD or whether you want to give the data to the LCD. This pin must be connected to one of the Arduino pin, and read write bar must be connected to the ground because we are always writing the data into the LCD, not we are reading the data from the LCD. Next, enable pin and D0 to D7, these are the data pins. Actually, this is the 8-bit data bus, but because of limitation of the number of Arduino Uno pins, we are using 4-bit interface only. The LCD pins are 1 to 16. I have already explained. Some of the LCD pins are having the 16 pins, some are 14 pins. The 15th pin is the LED positive and 16th is the LED is negative. Next, the pin description of LCD. Here VSS, this must be connected to the ground. VCC or VDD, it must be connected to 5 volts. The VEE connected to the to adjust the brightness. It is connected to the potentiometer to adjust the brightness. And the RS is the register select pin of LCD. If we are giving the instruction to the LCD, that register select pin must be connected to ground, and if you are giving the data to the LCD, the register select pin must be 1. Next, read or write pin, it must be connected to ground for writing purpose. It must be connected to read write bar pin equal 1 for reading. Next one is enable signal. Next one is D0, data bus line 0, D0, D1, D3, D4, D5, D6, D7. These are the data lines. We are using upper data pins only, data D4, D5, D6, D7. In the market, there is a ready-made LCD shields are available for Arduino boards. That shield is useful for Arduino Uno, Arduino Duo, and Arduino Mega 8C. This is the LCD shield for Arduino. If you buy this LCD shield, this shield is compatible for Arduino based boards. The pin mapping between LCD and Arduino Uno pins. Actually, the LCD enable pin is connected to the 9th pin of Arduino, and LCD register select pin is connected to 8th pin of Arduino Uno pin, and data bus DB4 is connected to fourth pin of Arduino, and DB5 is connected to fifth pin, and similarly DB6 and DB7 is connected to the sixth and seventh. If you are using this LCD shield, okay, if you are fitting this LCD shield on the Arduino, the these pins LCD enable is connected to 9th and register select is 8th, and DB4, DB5, D6, DB7 is connected to 4, 5, 6, 7. These pins are fixed to that Arduino. Coming to the interfacing LCD with Arduino okay, this is our Arduino board, in which VSS should be connected to ground, VC should be connected to 5 volts, VE connected to the some potentiometer for adjust the brightness. Register select pin is connected to the maybe 8th pin, enable is 9th pin. Similarly, D4, D5, D6, D7 is connected to the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th pin of Arduino. This is the interfacing diagram. This is a schematic diagram for Arduino with LCD and some sensors. Okay. There is a LCD library is there. Ash include liquid crystal.h. This is the library. It contains the definitions and declarations of all LCD functions. There is a command liquid crystal LCD. The general syntax is register select enable D4, D5, D6, D7. In our case, liquid crystal is the class. The class name is LCD. That is maybe anything. 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7. The meaning that register select pin of LCD is connected to the 8th pin of Arduino, and enable pin of LCD is connected to the 9th pin of Arduino, and D4 is connected to 4th pin, and D5 is connected to D5 of our LCD is connected to 5th pin, and similarly D6 of LCD is connected to 6th pin, and D7 pin of LCD is connected to 7th pin of Arduino. This is the pin mapping between the LCD pins and Arduino pins. Next one is register. Already we know that register select equal 0 for command. Register select pin is equal I for data. Next one is LCD dot begin 16 comma 2. Okay, we are using 16 by 2 LCD. That meaning that two rows and 16 columns. LCD dot begin is nothing but it is the initialization command for it. It will initialize the all LCD functions. Next one is LCD dot print used for to print the data on the LCD. Suppose we want to set the cursor position, that may be first row or second row, that is done by LCD dot set cursor column comma row. Here first row is nothing but row number is 0, second row is nothing but row number is 1. Next we want to scroll the display at the right side or left side, that is done by LCD dot scroll display right or scroll display left. Suppose you want to see program to display allow word message on LCD. First we are using the libraries ash include liquid crystal.h. It is a library. It contains the definitions and declarations of all LCD commands. Next class is liquid crystal. Class name is LCD, and the 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7. If you are using the LCD shield, the pins are fixed 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next void setup. First we need to declare the initialization statements of LCD, that is the LCD dot begin 16 comma 2 means it will initialize the LCD with it is having 2 rows and 16 column. Whatever we want to display on the LCD, that should be right LCD dot print allow word. The while loop is nothing here. Same code we want to see on the Arduino Arduino IDE. Okay. Now, in Arduino IDE, first I have written the library liquid crystal.h. After that, pin mapping between the Arduino and LCD pins. In the setup, I've written the initialization statement lcd.begin 60 comma 2. Next, whatever we want to display, that should be right in the lcd.print. That is a hello world while loop. Okay. I've connected our LCD shield with Arduino Uno. Okay, this is the board. Okay. After, after uploading the code to Arduino board, we are getting the message here, hello world on the LCD. This is the example for first program. Next, we are going to second program is program to display GRIT on the first line and the EC on the second line of LCD. Here the first statement is hash include liquid crystal.h. It is the library. It contains the definitions and declarations of our LCD commands. Next one is class and class name and the pin mapping. The pin mapping numbers are 894567. Next one is the setup. First, we want to initialize the LCD command lcd.begin system comma 2. It is useful to initialize the system by 2 LCD. First, we want to set the cursor position. lcd.set cursor 00 is equal to set the cursor position is first row. And whatever we want to display on the first line, that is the lcd.print grit. And now we will go to the cursor position is the second line. That is nothing but lcd.set cursor 0 comma 1. Row 0 is nothing but first row. Row 1 is nothing but second row. And the lcd.print while loop. The same thing we want to see on the Arduino IDE. Here in the setup, lcd.begin. First, we want to set the cursor position in the first line. That is the row 0. And we want to display some message. After that, we are going to the second line. Next, we want to display on the EC on the second line of. Next, we want to first go to tools. And the board must be and the port must be checkmark. And we are uploading the code to Arduino If you need any information regarding to LCD commands, we can go to L, go to reference. There is a window open. Within that, we can go to the libraries. Then we will select the liquid crystal, that is the LCD library. It contain it shows the all the LCD library commands, that is the liquid crystal, LCD dot begin, LCD dot clear, LCD dot view, LCD dot set cursor, LCD dot write to and print. Okay. These are the reference for now to see the syntax for LCD library functions. After uploading the code to the Arduino board, we are seeing the two messages. One is the GRIT on the first line and the EC on the second line of LCD. GRIT in the first line and EC on the second line of LCD. This is the demo for how to display the some message on the LCD. Similarly, we can do interface the various sensors with the Arduino. That is nothing but LM35 and temperature sensor and LDR sensor to the Arduino. And we need to display the temperature and LDR information on the LCD. Thank you.